Connective tissue. Connective tissue is a tissue that connects, separates, and supports all other types of tissues in the body. The cells of this tissue are loosely spaced and embedded in an intercellular matrix. The matrix may be jelly like, fluid, dense, or rigid. The nature of matrix differs in accordance with the function of the particular connective tissue. Classification of connective tissue. Connective tissue is classified into 7 categories as areolar tissue, adipose tissue, blood, bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilages. Areolar tissue. Areolar connective tissue is found between the skin and muscles, around blood vessels and nerves, and in the bone marrow. It fills the space inside the organs, supports internal organs, and helps in the repair of tissues. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is also known as fat storing tissue. It is found below the skin and between internal organs. Since it has to store fats, therefore the cells of this tissue they are also filled with fat globules. Storage of fats also lets it act as an insulator. Blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. Blood has a fluid or liquid matrix which is called plasma, in which various cells are present like RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and platelets. The plasma contains proteins, salts, and hormones. What does this blood do? Blood flows and transport gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also transports digested food, hormones, and waste materials to different parts of the body. Bone. Bone is a strong and non-flexible tissue. Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix, and their matrix is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. Bones form the framework that supports the body. It also holds the muscles and supports the main organs of the body. Ligaments. Now, in our body, we can see that many bones are connected to each other. How do these bones connect with each other? The answer is ligaments. So, ligaments are a type of connective tissue through which two bones are connected. This tissue is very elastic and has considerable strength. Ligaments contain very little matrix. Tendons. Tendons they connect bones to muscles and are another type of connective tissue. Tendons are fibrous tissue with great strength but limited flexibility. Cartilage. Cartilage has widely spaced cells and the solid matrix is composed of proteins and sugars. Cartilage helps to smoothen bone surface at joints and is also present in the nose, ear, trachea, and larynx. For example, we can fold our ears, we can bend our nose. How is it possible? Due to the presence of cartilages in these areas. Since cartilages are having widely spaced cells, therefore we can easily fold or bend the cartilages wherever they are present in the body. This is the major difference between bones and cartilages, that we can fold or bend the cartilages, but this is not so in the case of bones.